Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find search history on your Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook now, Meta has been working to improve its transparency over the data it retains from users. Meta, who also owns Instagram, now lets both apps quickly show you a deep dive into all your old online habits. Instagram started collecting data from you from the second you log onto the social media platform from the first time, including the exact time you joined. Instagram will tell you about any account privacy or password change you've made and also your search history. So how today if you want to find your search history on your Instagram, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your profile, but tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to the account center, but tap on the account center. You can scroll down, tap on your information and permissions. And you'll find there is an option search history. You can just tap on that. Choose on your Instagram account. And here's all your search history on your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find your search history on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.